Hey guys, it's Bright from Java, and today we're going to be learning how to create a simple mixtape cover art with just Photoshop. So let's dive into it. Yeah, this is practically it. So now I'll bring the artist in the now. So this is just like this is it. So just going to do a little editing and stuff. So to just make it look better. So image. First, we have to rasterize this layer. Image, image adjustment, desaturate to make it black and white. See, I just wanted to get this like whitish texture on the background, just to make it like white to like blend with the artist. That's what I'm doing. Okay, now we have the artist and the background selected on our layer already. So we just have to make a selection of the tie because the body of the artist is going to be blurred. So we just have to make selection of the tie. Okay, we have the tie cut out now. So let's going to turn off that layer. Okay, so we've made a selection of this body. Now if anything happens right here, now it's not going to exceed the selected area, so that's why we have to select the part we are working on. So I'm going to use a soft brush to erase around the selected area. Make sure the brush is soft. As well reduce the opacity and the flow. Reduce it more because the neck is going to be more visible. Now we'll put on the tie layer. And this looks pretty good. Yeah, looks not bad. So we've practically completed the entire thing. Just a few names. Yeah, you need a name. So what names we're going to use now? DJ Drogo. It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, so it's going to feature somebody. Let's say it's going to feature another artist. Featuring. Yeah, TY Tunes. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Really cool. Yeah, so it looks kind of odd. It kind of look odd, right? It's kind of, yeah, this looks quite cool. So what else do we need? What else do we need? We're gonna need think a producer and yeah, the name of the music too. Yes, yes, name of music. So think something cool. Let's say a new place. Yeah, new place. New place quite cool, right? Yeah. Then producer. We are going to produce by Java, obviously. Sorry, that was. Yeah, produced by Java, a new place. Yeah, we are quite done with it. Just so what's left? What's left? Yes, yes, Java, the producer. We need a Java logo. Java logo. Java logo. Five, please make it there. Just put that here. Put that here. So yeah, this is practically it. This is practically it. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials like this.